Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create one email for a group in Google Workspace. This is incredibly useful when you want multiple team members to receive and respond to emails sent to a single shared address, like support@yourcompany.com or team@yourcompany.com, making collaboration seamless and organized. First, open your web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This is the admin console, your central hub for managing all Google Workspace settings. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your Google Workspace Administrator account credentials. Make sure you're using an admin account, as regular users won't have access to create groups. After signing in, look for the directory option in the left sidebar and click on it. From there, select Groups. Depending on your console layout, you might also find this under Apps, then Google Workspace, then Groups. Either path will get you to the Groups Management page where you can create and manage all your organization's email groups. Now click the blue Create Group button. This opens a setup pane where you'll configure your new group. Start by entering the group name, which is the display name people will see, and then provide the group email address. This is the actual email address members of your organization will use to reach the entire group, something like team@example.com or sales@example.com. Next, you'll configure access settings. Here you can decide who can view conversations, who has permission to post messages, and who can join or request membership. Set these according to your organization's needs and click Next to continue. You'll then have the option to add initial members. Type in the email addresses of people you want to include and assign them roles. Owners have full control, managers can moderate, and members can participate. Once you've added everyone, click Add to Group or Done. Before finalizing, review the summary of your group settings to make sure everything looks correct. When you're satisfied, click Create Group to complete the setup. To verify everything works, send a test email to your new group address and check that it arrives in all members' mailboxes. If you need to adjust membership permissions or posting rules later, simply return to Directory, then Groups, select your group by name, and modify any settings as needed. Thanks for watching.